Guys, I'm driving yet again. Yes, that's correct. I'm by myself. I went to Home Depot, right? Now, normally when I pick up things from Home Depot, I do curbside orders and I only pick up something that I absolutely am completely out of at home and I really can't wait, okay? Now, my husband is sick, so I went to Home Depot to get the thing that I really needed at the house, and so the curbside app wouldn't work. Oh, hell. Now I gotta go inside the store. I don't go inside of Home Depot, but if I'm gonna go inside of Home Depot, I'm gonna cash in, right? So I told the kids we're gonna start planting. We're gonna start doing our gardening and stuff like that because boss mom, homeschooling mom, like what else do? We do domestic things, right? We're gonna start planting. And guys, I got an orchid. I'm so excited. I'm going back tomorrow for another one.